Former Foreign Minister Rohit Bogolagama says that the SAARC countries should collectively focus their attention on the establishment of a US military base in the Maldives. The setting up of a military base in the Indian Ocean will have detrimental security impact on the tranquility and peaceful environment in the region. Well, the former minister points out that there were no definite factors to prove the establishment of a US military base except media reports on this issue.
The development for the first time, a superpower setting up a military base in the region should become a matter of concern to the regional players and to the stakeholders. In this regard, I think it would be for India mainly, who is being considered as the regional power, and the Indian hegemony, how it's going to be viewed in the context of United States, which is the superpower in the world, coming to have their military bases in the region. Now, these are major factors, and for Sri Lanka, a country that is maintaining the best of relations and goodwill with the United States of America and all other countries, including the Maldives, who is our closest neighbor, in terms of geography, history, historical ties, and the current relationships. We want to wish the region to remain as a place of tranquility and free of any hiccups associated with military advancements. Now, in that context, I think Sri Lanka has to view this matter and take this matter on board to the SAARC, and that is where I think the focus has to be made as to how a collective decision can be reached in terms of this development and in relation to the US military base in the Maldives. And in terms of the US military bases in the world, we find that in Japan, we find that in South Korea, we find it in Singapore, in Australia, in Germany, and a lot of other countries, numbering 30 in all. In the whole world, there are US military bases in foreign countries. And there's about 150 countries in which US military presence or US military associations or relationships have got built up. But in the context of having a large military base in the Indian Ocean, which we advocate to be a ocean free of any sort of tension, we would like to see how best these matters could be addressed, both from a bilateral perspective with that of the Maldives and Sri Lanka, and from a regional context in the SAARC region, where 8 countries are today having their collective responsibility associated with regional cooperation. So I think these are matters that will be a part of discussion for a lot more time, and also once a base comes into an area, these bases come to stay for a longer time periods. A lot of bases have exceeded 50, 60, 70 years of lifespan, and thereby this is not a matter that only concerns us in today's context or in a contemporary manner, but this is a matter that even the future generations will have to become concerned of, and thereby I think the responsibilities lie in the status quo today, in the governments, in the SAARC countries, to address this matter and to have a collective decision taken so that our views can get expressed in line with the bilateral relationship Maldives wish to maintain with the United States in the context of the military base that is to be, or in the context of the proposed military base, where we have no other evidence other than the media speculation in this regard.